Today we want to learn enlargement. To enlarge any shape, I should have a scale factor and center of enlargement. What is an enlargement? Enlargement means to make the shape bigger, or sometimes you will get it smaller. We call the original shape and the enlarged shape similar because the ratios of the sides stay the same. Before I enlarge any shape, I need a scale factor. Here, the second photographs are enlargements of the first. I want to find the missing side. To find the missing side, I should have a scale factor. So that I will use the 4 centimeter and 12 centimeter. I will ask myself how 4 becomes 12. If I multiply 4 with the scale factor, will give me 12. That means the scale factor is 3 because 4 multiplied 3 is 12. So that 3 multiplied 3 is equal 9. Also in the second picture, I have 5 centimeter equal 12.5 centimeter. So that what is the side here? I should find also the scale factor. 5 multiply 2.5 will give me 12.5, or 12.5 divided by 5, it will give me the scale factor, which is at 2.5. So that which number, if I multiply it with 2.5, give me 10, or 10 divided by the scale factor 2.5 equal 4 centimeter. We have here A and A dash. The A dash is an enlargement of shape A. If I want to find the scale factor, I will see the length of each side in A and what it becomes in the second shape in A dash. 1 square here becomes 2 squares, and 1 square here becomes 2 squares. So that A dash is double of A, or the length of each side in shape A dash is 2 times the length of each side in shape A. That means if I multiply 1 with 2 will give me 2. If I multiply 1 with 2 will give me also 2. If I multiply, for example, also here 1 will give me 2. So that the scale factor is 2. Here also, girls, we have the shape B dash is an enlargement of shape B. If I want to find the scale factor, I will see each side in B. For example, here we have 2 squares, but here in the enlargement we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So that how 2 becomes 6? By multiply it by 3. So that the scale factor is 3. I need from each one of you to find the scale factor of each of the following enlargements. After that, you will have the answers in the next slide. What about also the enlargement? What is the scale factor? Let us see here the shape A becomes A dash. So that not every time the enlargement will give me bigger. Sometimes the shape can get smaller. So that here 2 squares, but now I have 1 square. So that I divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2 give me 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 2 give me 1.5. That means the scale factor here is half. Now we want to find the center of enlargement. I have this rectangle and I have enlargement of my rectangle. If I want to find the center, I have to match between the edges of both of them. Now, where is the center of my enlargement? Is the red point. I need from all of you now to find the center of enlargement for this shape and its enlargement. Sometimes the center will be inside the shape, not outside. Like this example, if I will match between the edges, both of them, where is the center? It is inside the shape.